I also want to thank Mr. Light and our percussionists for joining our color guard and making it extra special. So I'd now like to welcome Scholars Academy High School Color Guard to the podium.
Would everyone please rise for the presentation of the colors?
Color guard, attention.
Color guard, advance.
Assembly salute.
Assembly pledge to the American flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Color guard, return the colors.
Color guard, left face.
Color guard, forward march.
You may be seated.
Thank you. Can we get a big round of applause for our color guard?